severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Berks County in eastern Pennsylvania, southeastern Lehigh County in eastern Pennsylvania, Montgomery County in southeastern Pennsylvania, northwestern Bucks County in southeastern Pennsylvania, Chester County in southeastern Pennsylvania, until 4 p.m. At 3:13 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Bechtelsville to Glenmore to near Coreyville, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damage to roofs, siding, trees, and power lines is possible. Locations impacted include Westchester, Pottstown, Phoenixville, Lansdale, West Norton, East Norton, Coatesville, Quakertown, Percy, Downingtown, Souderton, Bedminster, Kennett Square, Birdsboro, Collegeville, Oxford, Royersford, Parkersburg, Trapp, and Hatfield. This includes the following highways: Pennsylvania Turnpike between mile markers 299 and 326. Northeast extension between mile markers 25 and 47. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 4 p.m. for the following county: Berks, Pennsylvania,